Guys, YouWare is revolutionizing how AI is used, and it has a lot of different utilities, so you gotta watch this. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so if this is your first, make sure to go ahead and check out the channel. There are tons of cryptocurrency videos, AI videos that will definitely be very helpful for you. So go ahead and consider subscribing as well. So for YouWare guys, let me demonstrate how you can actually use that AI builder. And believe me guys, this is like a super power type of AI that will help you out in making your website in just a few phrases like this one guys. Okay, so create a landing page for an AI business community called AI Professional. So that is going to be the name of my page. And I would like to include the about section, the pricing section, and the contact us section. And for you, if you can still think of a lot of different tabs that you would like to be included in the website, go ahead and do so. All right, so if you run that, okay, it will take a little bit of time, like maybe 5 minutes or so, for it to build the actual website. So once you click on this, it will do all this. Now I pre-made this one to spare the waiting time. Okay, so create the landing page and all that. So that is what I actually entered. Switch to code mode, file analyze. This is YouWare telling what it is actually processing. All right, now, all right, so you have files downloaded, code updated, you have edited components and all that. Just let it run. And then before you could even make a cup of coffee, it's already done. So as you can see, it's saying I've created the landing page for AI professionals, including these sections right here. So you have the about, you have the pricing, and you have the contact. You also have that join community, master AI to accelerate your careers. All of that guys, look at this one, right? So you could just adjust it to however like the details that you have, but you already have the template in it here already. So you could, those are actually clickable as well. So look at that. When you click on contact us, it will take you directly here where they could enter their details. Okay, you can change all this one up according to your preference. Now if you have things, I would of course encourage you to do your own research, but again, this is one really good tool for you to do and create your websites in a literally snapping of a finger. So you can go ahead and check this one out guys. The link to this will be in the description of the video. It's redefining how people build software by introducing the world's most user-friendly vibe coding platform. All right, now if you could check out the one on top, right? So if you have the resources, if you click on that one, you have the help center, you have the blog, change login, all that, and then the features. This is where it gets very exciting. So you have the AI website builder, AI prototype generator, you have the dashboard generator, AI app builder, basically everything that you could think of, right? You have the game creator, you have the AI code generator as well. Now what I did is and I will show this to you later on, so stay tuned, is I actually created a short video out of a long video from a video platform. So you gotta watch this one out later on. All right, so basically let me go ahead and give you more stuff that I feel you guys need to know about them. So instead of writing the code, users will actually be able to simply describe what they want through a conversational natural language form, and YouWare is transforming those ideas into a fully functional AI powered web application in just minutes. Now from concept to live product, the entire experience feels intuitive, fast, and remarkably accessible and amazingly awesome, guys. You got to go ahead and check this one out. Now, at the core of YouWare is the conversational creation, and users could actually chat with an AI that acts like a highly skilled developer. Imagine that. Like you're talking to somebody that could understand what you're saying and understand what you like. right? And you just tell them, type in what you want, and then they will do that for you. Now, that is going to be amazing, because if you hire like a live developer, and a highly skilled live developer, it's going to cost you a fortune, I tell you. I mean, we're talking about thousands of dollars for you to get and hire that, right? Now, for this one, it's not going to cost as much, but it will also give you it could give you more, or even a better result, right? A better outcome that you have always been imagining. Now, guys, YouWare resonates strongly with the entrepreneurs, the artists, the students, and hobbyists, because it removes the intimidation factor from app development and coding and all those good stuff. I mean, I am a computer science graduate, and I know how to do programming, and believe me, guys, it's not as easy. And just thinking of the programming word, believe me, you wouldn't want to get into that, because it's gonna take a lifetime for you to code it. And you gotta study, you gotta take courses, you gotta a lot of time investment, basically. And you don't really need to do that anymore with like the dawn of the artificial intelligence. It's gonna artificial intelligence is our friend. If we know how to use them, if we know how to utilize their strengths, then they will give us their full potential and give us the high quality result that we are looking for. So anyone can build what they envision without the technical barriers or prior experience. So beyond the ease of use, the platform is also introducing thoughtful innovations that set it apart. So YouWare Credit Care addresses credit anxiety by allowing the users to rewind and recover the credits if they are unsatisfied with the outcomes. And that is one of the most awesome things that I love about YouWare. Other artificial intelligence tools, you don't want the result of the prompt that you gave it. That's goodbye for the credits. I mean, it's a hit and miss. But for this one, they are actually you just go ahead and reach out to them. I would strongly suggest, of course, that you always do your own research. That way, when you have questions, we have all those, burning questions in your mind, you would be able to ask them and get that response that you have always been looking for. So let's go ahead and show you how it's used. All right, so guys, and now that we have actually explored and created the website layout that we have, let me also show you the features that you need to know about YouWare and how those features would be able to help you out. And right now, guys, so you have these, right? Now you have YouBase. Now, what is YouBase? All right, so YouBase is YouWare's built-in cloud backend, and that is powering how applications actually work. While YouWare provides the visual interface, YouBase is actually the one running behind the scenes as the app's logic and memory. So this is actually your one-stop shop. You have your front end, you have your back end, right? You have your user interface. You also have the back end database that holds all the necessary information. So without that, apps are purely visual forms, and it can't save data. So users can't log in and nothing persists. So this is one of the essentials. And with YouBase enabled, applications can actually store data, authenticate users, and deliver that personalized dynamic experience. So you could access that up on top right here. Click on that one, it will take you directly here. This is like your memory, basically your database, right? Okay, so next one that I would also like to share is the co-view. Now, what is the co-view, right? It lets you share your screen and talk to the AI so it can actually see what's going on, what's wrong, and fix the issues based on real context. So you just have to click on that black dot right there. Allow your mic, okay? So allow this time, and then allow viewing access, and then allow, okay. Now you could start now, right? So you could actually, you know, tell the AI what you want to happen and what are the things that you want to change. Very, very powerful. And then the next one that I also wanted to share, guys, and this is one of actually my favorite, right? Because for some AI, you have to make prompts, and if you don't want what you got, like if it's subpar, unsatisfactory, it's not what you like, that credits that has been used is gone forever. For them, they have the credit care. So it lets you undo mistakenly or unsatisfactory AI creations with automatic credit refunds. And that is what I love about YouWare. So the next one that I would also like to share again is the model switching, right? Now, what is model switching? Right here in model switching, you have the models available right here. Okay, you would see that in here, and you would also see that in the beginning. Okay, so for model switching, you can freely switch between cutting edge coding models to start those, you know, smartly balanced speed, creativity, and so you have different AI models right there. You have Gemini Pro, Flash, Claude, GPT 5.2, and it is also available right here. So once you are inside and you have done it, you could click on the codes right here. Okay, so you could click on this one right here and you could switch from the different models right there. Now, another one that I would also like to highlight, guys, is the boost. Okay, now this one is very neat, guys, because it transforms your pages into visual masterpieces by automatically improving the colors, the fonts, the layouts, and the animations of your website. Okay, so make the layout cleaner and more visually balanced with consistent spacing and alignment. Make it more formal. Give it formal colors and fonts. Something like that, right? So you can run that and it will actually do that to the website that you have done. See how super easy you could create those websites now, unlike during back in the days. You have to manually code the HTML. You have to like use those drag and drop softwares like Visual Basic or something like that. Yeah, you have JavaScript. You have a lot of like APIs. You have the database at the back end. You have to connect it. You have to manage both and everything like that. There are a lot of things that you need to do back in the days. Now, AI is taking care of that. Okay, so that is for Boost, guys. See, it's doing it now and it's analyzing. Of course, it may take some time for it to successfully change everything in that, for it to successfully, you know, run your request. And of course, since it's running, the next one that I would like to show is the visual editing. But right now, it's still disabled because it's still running the one that I requested for Boost, right? So let's let it run first. All right, so it's already done, and these are the key improvements. So it's just like a summary of what the AI has done. So professional color palette, refined typography, subtle motion, modern layout, sharper visuals. Look at that, my goodness. Like those subtle motions, animations, or whatnot, they matter the most. I mean, it makes your website look more professional. All right, so that is for Boost. Okay, again, you can just keep on Boost, or the last but not the least that I would also like to share is the visual editing right here up on top. So if you click on that one, all right, so you now will be able to, I am the master AI. Look at that. See? So you can now visually edit the things that appear on your screen. So like say for discounted pricing. See? My gosh, right? So if you click on that one, okay, you can save on the changes and then bam, right? I would strongly recommend, guys, head on over to their website, check them out, see for yourself the power of this AI tool. you will definitely be glad that you've watched this, and it's gonna help you big time with creating your websites and making it more professional. So once you are logged into YouWare, this is actually the landing page that you will be in. All right, so you could type in your prompt right here, describe what you'd like to create, an image, a video, or just chat and explore your ideas. And that is, if you want to just have a conversation, you could do that here as well. So you have explore. Okay, you have the affiliate, of course, here. All right, you have the affiliate, earn 25% commissions, every customer, no caps. You also have the projects right here. Okay, and you have the notifications. Now here in explore, guys, this is actually quite helpful because you have some of the things that have been done right here that would also give you some ideas. You could check them out and see for yourself and improve, come up with something like that, with like something that has improvement in them that would make it better, right? And then you could also AI app, you have the game, you have the productivity tool, the landing page, the dashboard, portfolios, and all that. And if you click on create, this is where so this is where we were earlier. Now, as you guys know by now, when you do your prompts, it takes some time for the tool to develop all those. So let me go ahead and show you. Okay, so this is what I did earlier. So I actually did this. So for the code, initially it was in chat. Okay, now I clicked on integration and I chose YouTube right here. So added YouTube to this one and then put in the YouTube address. Right now, once I did that, so it gave me these images. So it's just like telling me, okay, so this is like the visual storyboard for the motivational short. So basically the one that I chose is a motivational video, and I prompt to create a short video out of that one. Okay, and then after some time of waiting, it actually generated a motivational short video. Quite short, and again, guys, I mean, this is just a dry run. I just really want to test it out. So this is generated with VO3. Okay, so let's do this. Play it.
Every morning you have two choices: continue to sleep with your dreams or wake up.
Okay, so it's loading, and you get how so you can download that and you could increase the playback speed. You could also do the picture in picture. But again, in just a short while, you could generate something like this. Now, you could also, again, if you don't like the result, you could come up with another prompt to revise and, give it another run and get a better result than the video that you have actually generated previously. Right now, in AI, as you guys all know by now, it's all dependent on the prompt that you are putting in. So if you have better prompts, if you have more specific prompts as to what you would like to get, the better this one will give you. So rather than just being with another AI coding tool, guys, YouWare is positioning itself as the most approachable and empowering platform for the next generation of AI native creators. So it turns your ideas into real applications with real speed, confidence, and creativity. So again, guys, go ahead and check out YouWare. Link to this will be in the description of the video, and I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.